Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2020 Harley-Davidson Tri-Glide Ultra. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2020 Harley-Davidson Tri-Glide Ultra with 15,104 miles passes New York State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with traction control, ABS, cruise control, a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, reverse, a keyless ignition, and navigation. It's been upgraded with rear fender covers, a wind vest windshield, an open stage 1 intake, an intake cover, LED turn signals, axle caps, engine cooling fans, a fuel cap, a primary cover, a luggage rack, aftermarket wheels, and wind deflectors. We have installed a new front tire. Powered by a 114 cubic inch V-twin engine, the Tri-Glide puts 120 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 6-gallon fuel capacity, the Tri-Glide has a 180 to 230 mile range. It has a 27.3 inch seat height and a 1,237 pound wet weight. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, this Tri-Glide will need a non-flashing brake light and passenger handholds. In New York, none of these are an issue. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this trike's charging output at 14 volts, installed a new front tire, and both rear tires are at 830 seconds. We took this trike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this trike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this trike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a blemish on the rear fender and a tear in the rider's seat. This trike has an owner's manual, 2 keys and 2 fobs, a clear title, and we have purchased the Cycle Checks vehicle history report. This trike has been through our premium program. It received an inspection, service, repairs, detail, and comes with a comprehensive warranty for the first 30 days or 1,000 miles, and continued powertrain warranty for a total of 90 days or 3,000 miles. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.